Hey guys, I just got back from my baseball game. We were in the Tournament of Champions, but we lost, sadly. But let's get to the point why I'm making this video. I stopped by Big 5 and I got the Smith and Wesson 1911 Airsoft Spring Pistol, and I'm going to do an unboxing review of it for you guys. Okay, I'm going to open it up for you guys right now. So while I'm unboxing it, I'm just going to say some specs. It's 315 FPS. It has the BAXS shooting system. That's for accuracy. Maximum range, the approximate range is 44 yards or 40 meters. The mag capacity is about 12 rounds, and the accuracy precision is from 25 feet away. It could hit a quarter. Okay, and it also comes with this nice sticky target right here. So this was on sale for 20 bucks at Big 5. Usually costs 40. Okay. Here is the sticky target right there. Here's the plastic coating. It's like sticky foam. Pretty nice with the stand. Here is the gun itself. Smith and Wesson 1911. Here's the sight for you guys to see. Right there. Let's aim for the bullseye. Okay, looks good. See, here are the specs right there. That's what I read to you earlier. Here's just some things advertising Smith and Wesson. And let's see what else it came with. It came with warning, caution. It says disassembling your gun will void the warranty. And then this is the magic target, sticky target. And last but not least, the manual for the Smith and Wesson 1911. Thanks guys for watching. By the way, this gun looks very nice. Let me shoot this right now with no BBs. Cock it back. And see, okay, I found out how to load this. See, I was just going like this. You have to go all the way back. Aim. Shoot. Sounds very nice. Alright, see you next time. This is a great gun, I heard. 315 FPS. Thanks guys. Bye.